back to AI Search. We're here at IBC 2024 in Amsterdam, and I'm so excited to talk to Tom from Caption Hub. Welcome, Tom. How are you doing today?
I'm pretty good, thank you. How are you?
Tell us a little bit about Caption Hub. What is it about? How are you using AI?
Of course, yeah. So Caption Hub is a multimedia localization platform. We've used AI since 2016 in various forms, and we use it pretty much across all of the breadth of the product. So we're using transcription, we're using machine translation, we're using visual recognition, we're using synthetic voice, and we're beginning to use large language model technology as well.
Nice. And how are you implementing that with your customers? Like, what is the best use case that you're seeing with it?
So our customers have got all kinds of different workflows. I think one of the things I'd say about the way we use AI is we're very, very transparent about it.
Okay.
So if our company is based off of third-party AI, in lots of ways we're the glue that holds it all together. But whenever someone uses AI, it's very clear in the platform that they're using AI and which AI engine they're using.
Okay.
We see it as our job to bring the best tools to our customers in order for them to do the work they're doing.
Yeah, I think that's a huge problem with a lot of ChatGPT. They have separate agents that people create. Maybe people aren't using 100% of the tools that are actually available to them. They just go, okay, I'm going to go to ChatGPT to write a blog, then I'm going to DALL-E to create images, then I might go to Midjourney to create something else, but they're not. The glue is really missing.
The glue is missing.
Yeah, especially in entrepreneurial vague deals, they're really missing that glue. So I'm glad that you're connecting and meshing that all together. Yeah. What is the most exciting thing, most impactful thing that you're seeing in AI right now?
So, there's a huge amount of buzz around generative AI, large language models. We're very much in a measure twice, cut once, approach. But there's huge, huge potential.
Yeah.
We've been using what I call the more traditional kinds of AI for a long time. The machine translations, the ASRs. But with the new large language models, there's a sort of subtlety and sophistication that we can apply to things like QC. We can apply to language quality evaluation. We can apply it in all kinds of different ways. So an example that we're dipping our toe in the water with is being able to use large language models to summarize captions that are outside of a normal bound.
Yeah.
So, too many characters, for instance.
Yeah.
Caption too many characters, we can say, hey, use a large language model to rewrite this. This is just the first step. There's a lot more to do.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, connecting everything and making it fit on the screen and still visually be appealing.
Precisely, and make sense.
Yeah, exactly. And that could just grow into summarization for, lectures, everything.
Absolutely.
That people will be able to use faster than reading through an entire script.
Absolutely.
Yeah, incredible. What's the most disturbing thing?
So, there are some obvious, in terms of what we're seeing, I'm not going to comment about AI generally, but in terms of what we can do with our product, it would have to be voice clone.
Okay.
And the lip syncing technologies,
Yes.
that we're looking to build into the product. But it's a measure twice, cut once scenario. We are very keen to do this, with our customers, working in tandem with our customers. At the moment you can't clone a voice inside of Caption Hub without, having to go through a lot of extra steps with our team.
Yeah.
It's technically possible for us to say, here's a button, clone this video, clone this voice, do a lip sync, all the rest of it. But, we just want to be careful about it and move one step at a time and make sure we're addressing all of the obvious ethical concerns that this technology enables.
Exactly, and there are a lot of ethical concerns.
Yes, there are.
We are pretty, I would say, in Europe with GDPR and the EU AI Act that's coming out, I think we're a little bit more safeguarded here.
I think we are.
But worldwide, not so much.
Not so much. We're in an election year, right?
Yes.
And it's
kind of scary. Yeah, it's true. What is the big feature that you're looking forward to in the next few years with Caption Hub?
It's definitely enlarging on those generative AI possibilities.
Cool.
I'm particularly integrating those into automations. So, using language quality evaluation, to act as a gatekeeper. So to say, if it passes a certain threshold, then say, fine, I'll want to publish my captions to my social media channels, or if not, then no, I'd like to route that to my vendors.
Okay.
Very simple example,
Nice.
but there's there's some real power and sophistication, and I think it's only going to grow.
Great, amazing. Well, it was such wonderful talking to you.
Oh, it's been a pleasure.
Hearing about Caption Heaven, like what you're doing, that's incredible. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. You can watch AI Searched on YouTube and Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Let us know in the comments what you think.